ng guys sa grupo namin, I like them all. Pero siguro kung papapiliin ako kung sino yung maging pinaka-cute or pinaka-magugustuhan ko, si Johnny siguro. Pag bored ako, tapos wala akong maisip, siya nalang tinitnan ko kasi ang gwapo-gwapo niya. Yun lang.
Si Mara sobrang lambing, sobrang sweet. Aalagaan ka talaga niya. Mabait siya sa lahat. Yun ang sabi. Sa akin, malambing siya. Tapos para siyang baby sister ko. Parang ganun. Parang kuya yung dating ko. Ganun.
Guys, keep it burning. This is in the oven core.
We built it and then like add on the next days like what we want or what we can find.
The team is really has a strong influence in us right now since this is day 4 and most of the group is speaking English, so
they are very contagious in terms of the way they talk,
the way they
moves, speaks,
other words coming from their mouth and everything.
They will know that we have
some kind of a defect, a nose bleeding defect,
and mental defect. Shucks, I can smell yours.
Oh my God, can I smell you too? Oh, it's a tie! It's a tie! Oh.
Masama ko sa'yo.
Na-expire ka agad ang mga English namin. Yung isa din sa mga struggle, magja-joke ka, tapos hindi nila nagigets yung joke mo. Most of the time, English nila ng English, kaya nga na lang ako. O di, ano daw, gagana na lang ako. Latag gas!
Ay, kailangan na natin parang sandok na kahoy.
I'm sure lahat tinatamad na magsimula ulit. Sino na naman ang kikilos. Meron bang mangunguna para sabihin na, oh guys, eto muna ang uunahin natin.
Kagabi, yun nga. Ngayon, lamon.
Bukas, nga.
Wiwag.
Are you guys gonna cook the crab?
Not yet. When
Would you like to get them one by one?
hindi, when
I don't eat crabs.
Isabel, tawar. Albert, ikaw pahalit mo yung putok mong batok. Sa'yo mo isang pusit.
Ang katawan kaya.
Dahil.
Batok na ito, bilis katawan.
Uy, in fairness, nandito na siya ni Beto.
Buti na lang sila, Kuya Betong tsaka si Ate May. Ang sarap kasama, nakakatawa eh. Pag gutom kami, papatawa sila, tatawa lang kami. Nakakalimutan namin yung gutom.
Sobrang OC akong tao eh. Ayoko sa dumi. Pero dito, kahit na may konting mga abo-abo yung kanin, wala na akong pakialam eh. Basta mawala lang yung gutom.
Wala. Meron ako nakikita mga banana. Pero walang buhay. Okay, puro minuto lang oh. Ang dami palang bubuyog dito kasi nung kumukuha kami ng kahoy nun para sa shelter namin, munti ko nang ma-chop yung isang branch na merong bahay din ng bubuyog. Buti na may nakakita, kaya lang huli na. Buti hindi namin chinap kasi hindi siya sang-ayon dun sa gagawin naming shelter.
I've been bothered by a lot of things. Gusto ko ni Gino, sabi niya, may nararamdaman ka ba na plastikan? Kasi sabi niya, meron nang gumagawa ng alliance. Tapos yun, sinabi niya sa akin na hindi daw niya kayang pagtiwalaan si Steph. Ganon.
And my mom would tell me that I'm pretty sure she would.
Sinabi ni Sir John?
Nung nag-usap na kami ni Gino, biglang tinawag ako ni Arnie sa may dagat. Pinakadala si Casey at si Johnny. Ano nangyari? nag-uusap kami lahat.
Alliance with Alicia. I think siya, confused siya, hindi niya alam kung saan pupunta. But the thing is, wala naman side eh. Siya lang yung gumagawa eh.
Medyo nung una parang ayaw pa niya sabihin sa akin eh. Sila pala talaga yung umpisa pa lang na gumagawa ng alliance. So syempre ako medyo disappointed kasi parang first day pa lang, we have to focus on being a tribe, not dividing the tribe.
To tell you honestly, I'll be open with you guys. I'll be honest with you. Last night I thought you guys formed an alliance with.
Siya yung nag-charm sa amin during last night.
Kaya, you know, we were a bit concerned. Parang, oh my God, what are we gonna do? I mean, sayang
Steph
naman,
might be aligned with the girls already. Oh, really? That's your partner. You should be together from the start at least, but I think they're not. So parang, is he telling me the truth? Does he have something else planned? Because he could be the leader of all the girls and just be out, you know, to get us.
But if we stay as 5 right here, there's no way forward.
Yung araw na yun, doon na solidify yung alliance naming 5. Ako, si Casey, si Arnold, si Gino, si Mara.
You know, I don't talk to anyone.
Just be quiet. Stick with us. You'll be alright. That's it.
We made a pact na kami yung magiging Power 5. Kung ano man mangyari, we will be there to protect each other.
Can you promise me that we're here?
Bro, I'm not gonna shake your hand or give you a high five, but I'm with you. For now, I'm making those decisions for that alliance. I'm playing that role.
Susunod sa Survivor Philippines.
Something happened. Something very unfortunate. Na wala ko yung immunity bracelet ko.